Hello everyone, best wishes for all of us. In this video, we're gonna presenting to you about our information search and analysis skills entitled Internet of Things like control system using smartphone.
We are from class 3 SC4 from group 8. My name is Grandy Damarnegara and my partner name is Christian Jonathan. Internet of Things or IoT. IoT is a concept that aims to expand the benefits of continuously connected internet connectivity that allows us to connect machine, equipment, and other physical objects with network sensor and actuators to acquire data and manage its own performance, enabling machine to collaborate and even act on newly acquired information independently. Internet of Things, or often called IoT, is an idea where all objects in the real world can communicate with each other as part of an integrated system using the internet as a liaison. For example, CCTV installed along the road is connected to an internet connection and put together in a control room that may be tens of kilometers away, or a smart home that can be managed via smartphone with the help of an internet. Basically, an IoT device consists of sensor as data collection media, internet connection as communication media, and server as information collectors received by sensor and for analysis. The initial idea of the Internet of Things was first raised by Kevin Aston in 1999 in one of his presentations. Now many large company are starting to explore the Internet of Things, namely Intel, Microsoft, Oracle, and many others. How the Internet of Things works. The IoT concept is actually quite simple with the way it works, referring to three main elements in the IoT architecture. Namely, physical goods equipped with IoT modules, connection device to the internet such as modem and speedy wireless routers like in your home, and cloud data center where you can store application along with database. How the Internet of Things work is by utilizing a programming argument where each argument command produce an interaction between machines that are connected automatically without human intervention and at any distance. The internet is the link between the two machine interaction, while humans only serve as regulators and direct supervisor of the work of the tool.
IoT implementation. Machines are made to make human work easier. At the first, machines were made only to help humans and operated manually. Gradually, the machine can run itself or automatically. But in its development, the use of machines as a tool in a system will encounter obstacles when it comes to distance and time. With such a long distance, the machine will not be able to interact with other machines. To overcome this, the idea of the Internet of Things is applied where all machines with IP address identifiers can use the internet networks as a communication medium or exchanging data.
Mobile runs on mobile device such as smartphone or tablet PC. Mobile applications are also known as applications that can be downloaded and have certain functions that add to the functionality of the mobile device itself. To get the desired mobile application, user can download it through certain sites according to their operating system. Google Play and iTunes are some examples of sites that provides various applications for Android and iOS user to download the desired application. So, a mobile application can be interpreted as an application program that can be run or used even if the user moves from one place to another and has a small size. This mobile application can be accessed via wireless device, speakers, PDAS, cellular phones, smartphone, and similar device.
Android. Android is an operating system for mobile phones based on Linux. Android is primarily a Google product, but rather part of the Open Handset Alliance. The Open Handset Alliance is an alliance of 30 organizations committed to bringing a better and more open mobile device to market. Android includes a Linux-based kernel, and user application, and application frameworks. The user application is built based on the Java programming language. Even the applications that are built are also based on Java.
Unified Modeling Language. UML is a visual language in modeling that allows system developers to create a blueprint that can be described their vision of a system in a standardized, easy to understand format, and provides a mechanism for easy communication with other parties. Use case. Use case is a pattern or picture that show the behavior or habits of the system. According to Roger Pressman, use case diagram describe how user interact with the system by defining the steps needed to complete certain goals. An easy format for creating a use case is to describe the main scenario as a sequence of steps and alternative steps as a variation of that sequence.
Research methodology. In this research methodology, we have system analysis, prototype design, programming, and prototype testing. System analysis. The system requirement analysis is intended to describe the needs that must be provided by the system in order to meet user needs and in accordance with the research objective it is, namely designing a mobile-based light control system. The system design describes the interface requirement, input data requirement, and output data that indicate the system specification that can be accessed. Functional analysis. Analysis of functional requirement is a description of the function that can be performed by the system. System functional requirement include A. The system is designed by A. The system is designed based on mobile. B. On the mobile system must be installed on the smartphone. And C. There is a facility to turn off lights per room and all lights at the same time.
Non-functional analysis. Analysis of non-functional requirements is system requirements including performance, completeness of operating an existing function, and suitability with the user environment. These non-functional requirements include several requirements that support functional requirements. The formulation of non-functional requirements include A. Operational needs. First, on mobile system, the application can be installed on Android device. Second, on mobile system, the system can only be accessed via .apk format files that have been installed on Android device. Third, the application can be run on at least Android version 4.2. Fourth, the user interface on the application is made with simple to make easier for user. B. System performance. The system build is an application that runs on mobile device environment. There are some limitations encountered with the device. Therefore, it is necessary to pay attention to become a reference in system development, including first, electricity resources are used as effectively as possible. Second, display application interface tailored to the needs. Third, designing application with a simple interface but still attractive and easy to use by user.
Prototype design. In making the prototype design according to the existing database on the stage set at the data analysis stage, it is necessary to design a use case for a mobile-based light control system. Programming. Create an application based on Raspberry Pi 3 in mobile-based lamp control. Prototype test. Test all structure, specification, and the application as a whole. At this stage, the application is tested that has been completed. This testing process is needed to ensure that the application that has been made is correct, in accordance with the specified characteristic, and that there are no errors contained in it.
Research result. In prototype design, the design of the mobile-based light control prototype begins with the use of the DT relay as shown below. After DT relay, proceed to set the Raspberry Pi 3 datasheet with a display like the following image.
Then, it will appear the connection of the DT relay prototype with the Raspberry Pi 3, which is connected to the using rainbow cable. Display as follows. After the DT relay and Raspberry Pi 3 connections are connected, prepare to light fittings with the light bulbs. For a better view, we can use acrylic to limit the space between one lamp and another. Can be seen in the following image.
And research result for programming. In programming, we refer to the use case used in mobile-based lighting control system. The use case display is as follows. And the design of the display on the mobile as follows.
The next step is to configure the script using the Python programming language. It can be seen as follows. In this system, it was built to be able to display light control information, which will be directly carried out by officers using a mobile-based application. The following is a display of the light control application.
Research result for display of light-based control system mobile. First, display the mobile device position of all lights off. And second, mobile device display position 1 light bulb is on. And third, the display of the mobile device position of the second light bulb is on.
Conclusion and suggestion. Our conclusion about this ISAS. First, the design of this lamp control prototype is only used to turn on, turn off, and monitor the lights. 3. Internet of Things or IoT has been applied to the learning process of mobile computing and microprocessors course. Our suggestion about this ISAS, we hope that this lighting IoT system can be added with a lighting timer feature, which can adjust the lighting automatically according to the condition and circumstances. That is our presentation about the IoT light control system using the smartphone. We hope that through this presentation we can share new and interesting information to you. Let's try new things, especially trying to adapt to a technological advantage in the IoT field. My name is Christian Jonathan and my partner name is Grandy Damarnegara. Thank you.